Okay, my name is Ben, and I'm going to show you guys how I make t-shirts. All right, you guys. So first thing we're going to do is open our Cricut software. We got our Cricut vinyl cutter machine right here. It's going to cut out our design. Go back to my awesome SpongeBob background. We're going to do this squirrels design today. I make these on a software called GIMP, and then we're going to lay the vinyl out on our sheet. Press go, and it's going to cut out the design for us that we're going to weed out later. We're going to head on over to the shed. Not completely necessary, but I live with two roommates, and this is just the best place to put all the equipment. Head on into the t-shirt workshop real quick, see where the magic happens. All right, now we're weeding out the heat transfer vinyl so we can press it. We got some labels right here. We got some sizes. And we're going to plug in our heat press right now. We're going to switch our machine on, and we're going to preheat it to 152 degrees. Let it sit there for a little bit. All right, now we're going to select the size and color. So this one's going to be for my mom for Mother's Day. And so we're going to get her a rose-colored medium shirt. We're going to place the design on the heat press now, and we're gonna let her rip. All right, let's see how it's looking. Boom. And I'm actually gonna wait till the very end to show you guys the whole finished product, so hang tight. We got the stickers. Every package has to have a sticker. That's what it looks like when it's completed. Boom, the sticker slides right in there. And now we're ready to lock up the shed. To show you guys the finished product here in the kitchen. You got Seagull logo on the front. We got the ship station printed information there. That's how it gets to your door. And we rip this bad boy open. I'm gonna have to repackage it because it's supposed to go to my mom. All right, tear it open. Boom. Read this first, and then you undo the string. Cool. You get your package note. Read everything about it. All right. Again, we got the Get Lost on Purpose in there. These stickers are super durable. I've had one on my truck for like a few months now, and it's holding up. And then we look at the actual product. It gets out of the paper there. So this design is the squirrels one. All right. Great modesty hides great merit. So where do the words come from, you might ask? Well, on the inside of the t-shirt, when you throw it on in the morning, you can see it's a quote from Benjamin Franklin that I can't get copyright issues from because the dude's been dead for like 200 years. And he just said, yeah, great modesty often hides great merit. You throw on the shirt in the morning, and a piece of Benjamin Franklin is coming with you. Some other details here. We got the logo on the side here on the very back of the shirt, and then on the inside we've got the tag with some basic information, size info, made in America. So at this point, you guys might be asking yourselves, Ben, what even is Anywhere Shirts? Well, in a sentence, it's a better graphic t-shirt. All right. The reason they're better is because number one, they're made in America. I get the blanks from a factory in Los Angeles. The material is a combination of domestic and imported, but I do intend to someday source all the raw materials from inside the United States. The reason number two why they're better is because 15% of the profit goes to a charity called Puppies Behind Bars that raises service dogs. They use uh, they employ inmates, okay, in prisons to raise service dogs for combat vets. That's cool. Okay, 15% is going to that. The other reason they're better is because they're made of this super soft, super comfortable polycotton material. It's a shirt that's supposed to be worn anywhere, the beach, the gym, out in town. And there's not a lot of shirts in most people's closets that are appropriate for all these different occasions. I want to change that. So go to anywhereshirts.com, just like how it sounds, and check them out. And that is how I'll make t-shirts.